How is everybody? Welcome back to the shop. I'm glad you took a minute to stop back by. Gonna be short and sweet. Out here this morning trying to do a little quick cleanup. Left everything in a little bit of disarray. Sure you've been there. Want to talk about empty aerosol cans. What do y'all do with them? Let me know. I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm sure I'm fixing to catch a little flack for it. Meantime, when you get a moment, check out my buddy over at LNR Ridez. He got some good stuff, and you gonna want to see it. Hey, let's get these taken care of. I got a little liquid left in it. That one got nothing. There's so little in there, I don't want to save it. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and release whatever propellant's left in here. And I usually just hold it down on the table and get rid of it. A lot of propellant left in that WD-40 can, but very little material. Go ahead and empty that out. We'll come back to that. I like to save the little old red straws. Because, you know why? Because I stay busy losing. Now with the propellant out of it, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it safe to have around my shop. Take me a punch and a hammer. I like to rest it right up in the top. Put me a rag on it just in case there's a little something going on. Just give it a little tap. Punch that hole in it. Now, let's finish this one up. Finish this one up right here. Top off there. Do the same thing with this can. Because I know doggone good and well, if y'all fooling around with stuff out in the shop like I do, there's gonna be scrap. And there's gonna be scrap metal. Well, that can, that's scrap metal. I don't want to take that to the center under pressure. Yeah, that's all I got. I know we've all been around a fire and heard one go kaboom. This ain't gonna go kaboom if there was a fire. Meanwhile, I probably got a half a penny in my scrap bucket. But it's gonna add up. I appreciate your time today. Hey, if you hadn't already, how about a subscribe? Well, did you do it yet? Hey, thanks a lot, folks. We'll see you on the next one.